On December 9th, BYD revealed the facelift version of its Dolphin all-electric hatchback. The changes are subtle but worth noting. For starters, the front design has been slightly tweaked, and the taillight now features the BYD logo instead of the previous "Build Your Dreams" text. The taillight's internal design and the lower rear section have also been updated. Interestingly, the car's dimensions have grown a bit. It now measures 4,280 mm in length, 1,770 mm in width, and 1,570 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,700 mm. That's 155 mm longer than the current 2025 model. Speaking of configurations, the new Dolphin offers several options, including a panoramic sunroof, black roof, privacy glass, front and rear cameras, multiple radar systems, and various rim designs. You'll also get to choose between 3 tire sizes, 195/60 or 16 or 205/50 or 17. Under the hood, there are 3 motor options: a 70 kilowatts 94 horsepower version, a 130 kilowatts 174 horsepower option, and the top-tier 150 kilowatts 201 horsepower model.